Hello, I'm Rosemarie Heath. Welcome to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. Jamaica time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Don't forget also to press the notification bell so that each time there's a new posting, you will be alerted.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Now read from Luke chapter 4, verse 14 to 21. Jesus go back to Galilee under the Spirit power. And news about him start to spread so till people will live near Galilee hear about him. Him teaching at the Jew them church, and everybody talk good about him. When Jesus reached Nazareth, the place where part him grow up, him go in at the Jew them church pan the Sabbath, like him always do. Him turn up for read. And then give him the roll-up book where the prophet Isaiah write. Him roll it out and find the part where say, "The Spirit of the Lord dey upon me, cause him pick me out to carry good news go give poor people. He send me to make the prisoner them know say them a go free. To make blind people know say them a go sick again. To make people where suffer know say them now go suffer forever. And him pick me out to make people know say this are the time when the Lord a go save him people them." When Jesus done, he roll up back the book give them and sit down. Everybody were in at the Jew them church, yai did fast upon him. And Jesus start to tell them say, Today, all of what you just hear come true. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.